This video is to show you how to practice using the ABC arc with your child. This is the arc that we provided. There's one side that's uppercase and the other side is lowercase. So we're going to be looking at the uppercase side today. So we're going to lay that down flat, and then the first thing you want your child to do is to take out all of the blue uppercase letters and then flip them over to the solid side. And so you can help them with this. This takes a little bit of time at first, but it's really good finger skills. So good for working those fingers. And then, if possible, help your child turn them over so that they're facing the right way. But it's okay if they're upside down. They'll figure out that orientation as they practice. Once all of your letters are turned over to the solid side, the front, then you're going to want them to start matching. We want them to go in order, starting at A and then putting down each letter until you get all the way to Z. Now, one thing I'm just noticing is that there's actually two I's, and so you can take one out and put it in the bag. It doesn't matter which one. So I'm just going to put that one out because it doesn't exactly match that. So we're going to start with A, and I'm just going to go and line them up. It's okay, it's great if your child names the letters as they go, but it's okay if they're just matching the shape for now. This is a great time for you to reinforce letter names. Talk about letters that are in your child's name, letters that are in your family member's name, like M for mom and dad, the D. There's a brother or a sister. You could talk about what their name starts with. So this is just a good time to have some conversation about letters. But if your child is just really focusing, it's okay to be quiet too and just let them work on matching the shapes. So our first step is just matching. And again, you want them to go in order. You don't want them to skip around because we're practicing getting that alphabetic principle of understanding the order of the letters. Almost done. Now once I'm done, there's one more step. You want your child to name the letters. Now we're not going to sing them, we're going to name them. If they need to sing them first, the first time, that's okay. But really what we want them to do is name them, just say the letters. So you're going to want them to use their pointer finger and start right over here with A and point and touch right underneath every letter and all the way from A to Z. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And then when you're done, they can pick up all the letters and put them back in the baggie. Again, that's really good for those finger skills. It's okay if your child can't name the letters. You can help them. They could repeat after you. So this is just getting that pattern of the sounds or the letter names in their head, because the first thing we need to be able to do before we learn all the letters' names is we need to be able to say them in order. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.